Hello, Auburn Public Library friends. Welcome to Winterfest. Today we're going to be making some sensory snow with ingredients you probably have around the house. So we are going to take 1.5 cups of baking soda and add it to our tray. You can do this in a bowl, but I just thought this would be easier to show you what we're doing. And then we're going to go with a 1/4 cup of white conditioner. So mine's a little on the yellow side, so we're going to see if it will work. And essentially we just kind of mix these ingredients together. You can use your hands. Oh, and it actually starts to feel really cold immediately mixing these two. And this snow slime is kind of cool because you can actually build with it a little bit. Hopefully once we get this incorporated, we can build maybe a snowman. Let's see. It's really cold. It smells good though. All right, I'm going to see if I can make a snowman. There, what do you think? Think that looks like a little snowman? We'll see. What would you build with your snow? Now, I have something else we're going to try. To melt your snow, we're going to try, this is vinegar and water. You can use straight vinegar, just plain old household white vinegar. And we're going to see if our snowman will melt. Oh, might be hard to see, his head is starting to cave in a little bit. Let's see. Let's try it with just a straight up vinegar and see if we can melt him even more. Oh my goodness, it's foaming. Let's see. Can you see he is? Oh my goodness, I just knocked off his head. His head melted right off. All right, well, I hope you all have fun with your sensory snow. So if you can't go outside and build something, you can build a snowman in your own kitchen. Ask for mom and dad for help. We hope you have a good Winterfest. Try to get outside. Goodbye.